Alright, back, and my Pokemon all healed up. And now let's get our item. Talk to this guy. He says, congratulations, you beat all 5 trainers. You get a nugget. Sell that for $5,000. Pokédollars, whatever. Now he's asking you if you want to join Team Rocket. I want to join, but it won't let me. No, I'm never want to join. This guy's a Team Rocket admin or something. Oh, never mind, such a grunt. Yeah, we can take care of this guy. Yeah, we're gonna need Arena. Yeah, I mean, seriously, look at this. We just beat the gym leader with Pokemon level 18, level 21. And then they send in these pathetic level 15 Pokemon. You think that we're gonna be challenged? No. That's just terrible. I mean, look at this. He's using Poison Sting on it. It's only 2 damage. So about the only thing that's actually putting damage on me is Wrap. Doing like Wrap. Oh, now he has a Zubat. Oh gosh. Why can't you throw like 50 Arceus at me? Then you'd give me a challenge. Oh god, I accidentally clicked A too fast. Yeah, I mean seriously. They want to give me a challenge and make me join them. And you might as well just, I don't know. Or yeah, he'd be like, come on, this is an opportunity, don't waste it. Alright? I actually do have time. So I'm gonna catch my Pokemon, but right now I'm just gonna edit out all the other wild Pokemon battles. So okay, I finally caught my 3rd Pokemon. It took me like 25 minutes, but I finally did it. So we're going to run out and let me just show you it first. Alright. My 3rd Pokemon is, yes, an Abra. I named him Houdini. Because, you know, Abras disappear, Houdini does. Alright. So his Synchronize, that's a pretty good ability. His stats are pretty good, and he evolves in 6 levels. And that's about it. I'm gonna go heal my Pokemon, and next time we'll be exploring that route. Next time we'll be exploring that route. Bye.